Hello, and today we've got this Securit S1111 70mm discus padlock. I found you got to give it a nice extra shove at the keyway. I don't know if you can focus, but it has got 5 pins, a high one at the back, low, then 2 more high, and then another low. And got the old gorilla fist. With this, all we need to do, disappointingly, is get on that first pin, and it opens. Is that major disappointment or what? Let's look back up. I suppose it's better than what that master was. That was just a joke. But yeah, pin 1, and it opens. Thank you. And yeah, probably keep it just for the silliness. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great weekend.